Okay, dear students, let's see on how to solve some graphs of a relation. Example number 2. Draw the graph of the relation. Relation R is defining the set of all ordered pairs x, y, such that x plus y is greater or equal to 1, and x is greater than y plus 2. And then find domain and range. Solution. First of all, we have to draw table of results for our inequalities. We have two inequalities. We have x plus y is greater or equal to 1. And the second inequality is x is greater than y plus 2. By starting with inequality number 1, that x plus y is greater or equal to 1. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 1. We are going to make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 1 minus x. So here we have table of results. This is column for x. This is column for y is equal to 1 minus x. We do not have the given for x, so we are going to pick all real numbers from negative numbers to positive number. For example, let us start by negative 2. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. So when x is negative 2, y is equal to 1 minus negative 2, which is going to be 3. So y is equal to 3. When x is negative 1, y is equal to 1 minus negative 1, which is equal to 2. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. When x is 1, y is equal to 1 minus 1, which is 0. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 minus 2, which is equal to negative 1. Okay, let's see about second inequality. We have y is greater than y plus 2. Here it is x is equal to y plus 2. Y is equal to x minus 2. So this is column for x. This is column for x is equal to y is equal to x minus 2. We do not have any given, so we're going to use all real numbers. Okay, let us start by negative 3. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So when x is negative 3, y is equal to negative 3 minus 2, which is negative 5. When x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to negative 2 minus 2, which is equal to negative 4. When x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to negative 1 minus 2, which is equal to negative 3. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 minus 2, which is equal to negative 2. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 minus 2, which is equal to negative 1. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to x minus 2, which is 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. Okay, dear students, we're going to use table of results so as to draw graph. Here we have negative 3 up to 3. Here we have negative 2 up to 2. So the smallest x is negative 3 and the greatest x is 3. And the smallest y is negative 5 and the greatest y is 3. So we're going to represent in a graph. Here we have 1, 2, 3. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Here we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. Okay, for the inequality number 1, when x is negative 2, y is equal to 3. Okay, so when x is negative 2, y is equal to 3. So when x is negative 2, y is equal to 3, which is here. When x is negative 1, y is equal to 2. Negative 1 is equal to 2. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, which is here. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, which is here. When x is 2, y is negative 1. 2, negative 1, which is here. So we are going to draw a line to represent the graph like this one. This is a graph. This is a graph of x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, for inequality number 2, when x is negative 3, y is equal to negative 5, which is this point. When x is negative 2, y is equal to negative 4, which is this point. When x is negative 1, y is equal to negative 3. Negative 1 is equal to negative 3, which is this point. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 2, which is this point. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to negative 1, which is this point. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, which is this point. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, which is this point. So we're going to draw a line, but this line should be dotted line because it is greater. Okay? It is dotted line.